Ever look at a stock chart and wonder why the movements look weird? Let's demystify the logarithmic scale. A logarithmic scale is a way of visualizing data where equal distances represent equal percentage changes, not fixed numerical steps. On a standard chart, a move from 10 to 20 looks the same as a move from 100 to 110. That is misleading for long-term growth. Investors use these scales to see the true growth rate of a stock over decades, preventing recent large moves from visually dwarfing older ones. A linear scale focuses on the absolute dollar amount, while the log scale keeps the focus squarely on the percentage rate of return. Notice how the linear line shows a steady climb, while the log line captures the exponential nature of compounding returns much more effectively. Keep this in your toolkit when analyzing assets that have grown significantly over many years. It is all about perspective. If this helped you read charts better, hit subscribe for more investing basics. Thanks for watching.